Remove the humidifier prismaAQUA from your therapy device to clean it. Press the unlocking button and detach the humidifier from the side of the device. Now open the humidifier by gripping the lower recess on the rear of the housing and pulling gently upwards. Pour out any water in the base. Remove the humidifier insert. Now you can clean the base and the insert with warm water and some washing up liquid. Rinse the parts with clean water. As an alternative, you can place the parts in the top rack of the dishwasher and wash at maximum 65 degrees centigrade. The heating element can remain in the base. Simply wipe the top of the humidifier clean with a damp cloth. Carefully dry all the parts of the prismaAQUA with a soft cloth. Put the humidifier insert into the top of the humidifier. Make sure that the input and output on the insert match up exactly with the openings on the top of the humidifier. Press the top of the humidifier gently until it clicks into place. Lay the humidifier on its side and pour fresh tap water into one of the two openings. Fill it only to the marking for 400 milliliters. Gently click the filled humidifier into place on the Prisma device. You can now start your therapy. Depending on your needs, you can increase or decrease the humidifier level. In the unlikely event that all the water is used during therapy, the humidifier automatically switches off. The humidifier symbol appears in the display, which means the humidifier tank is empty. Before you get ready for bed, you can preheat the humidifier with Prisma 20A. Now, start your therapy. Increase or decrease the humidifier level as needed. In the unlikely event that all the water is used during therapy, the humidifier automatically switches off. The humidifier symbol appears in the display, which means the humidifier tank is empty. Löwenstein Medical wishes you a good night's sleep.